Hey guys, welcome to Dream Coin. It's Tyler again, and I am back following up my last video on two of the top cannabis stocks growth-wise in the past week. I just wanted to give you a long-term option to look at if you're looking to break into the cannabis industry and you don't necessarily want to play with the more volatile stuff. If you think it's too much of a risk, I've got more of a long-term option for you that's going to give you what looks like to be significant growth, especially in the last year or so on this. So the ETF that I'm talking about is going to be just MJ. That's just the ticker tag is MJ, and basically it's a big ETF that has a whole bunch of holdings with a bunch of different cannabis stocks, including some of the bigger ones like TLRY, like we talked about in the last video, and it's got Organigram, and it's even got some of the other ones like Grow Generation and all that fun stuff. But this is basically where it's at today, and as you can see, it closed right here around $32, and it still went up like $3 after hours for where it peaked, and that's absolutely just insane compared to where it's been in just the last bit. Like, just look at the last 5 days. Last 5 days, February 4th, it was $22, and it's up to peaking around like $34 multiple times. So you've got like 34 right here, got just below 34 right here, and this being the highest peak it's had in like the last year. If we go out, zoom out the whole year, this is the growth. This thing's gone up from $9 back last March all the way up to $33 just today. And so especially with the big push for cannabis stocks right now, and the whole push for the United States to legalize everything federally in the next year or two, I could see this getting just massive. I would not be surprised, especially if legalization does happen, for this stock, this ETF specifically, to just go through the fucking atmosphere at this point, realistically, and it's gonna have essentially potential to break like $100 at some point and contest like the ARC, like technology ETF, with the growth that it's got behind it at this moment with this potential. So like I said, if you want a long-term option and you want to break into cannabis stocks and everything along those lines, this is definitely going to be that good option for you. I could see this in the next week or so going up another $5, $10, $15 and potentially testing that $40, $50 range and just riding that massive wave that cannabis is getting pushed right now in the market. So you definitely want to put this on your watch list and see if you can get it when it dips down again at some point, which is inevitable just for some healthy pullback. As you can see, it dipped down earlier today around that $29 range. So if you can get it around there, get under $30 and just ride it out again, you'll already be making a decent profit if you can get a few shares in there. So this is going to be the top 10 holdings in the stock right now based off percentage. Like I said, you've got TLRY, you've got Cannabis Growth, you've got Grow Generation, Aurora Cannabis. These are all those huge cannabis stocks that are just seeing massive growth right now, and especially with TLRY, with the CEO leading the forefront of trying to get legalization pushed and everything like that, I could see all of this just completely bundling up and making just for a huge growth opportunity if you're just looking for a long-term option. Just wanted to share that with you guys, have a follow-up from my last video, so you guys have more options than just something to swing trade over the next couple days with all the volatility on the market. Thanks guys for watching again. I can't thank you guys enough for the support that's been going on the last few days of starting the channel. We're already at 50 subscribers out of, you know, just uploading 2 videos. We're almost at 600 views on my first video where we went over ZOM and why that has potentially go over $20 in March, and we're almost at 200 views on the video I put out yesterday on DSS, which is a very underrated stock in my opinion right now, and that could change cryptocurrency a ton. So if you guys are looking for more videos that are going to go over some stocks that you might not know, or you just want more in-depth analysis on, those are going to be some good options for you, and I highly recommend them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and help me out and help grow so I can get you guys better content out and help support you guys for what you're trying to look at. And make sure if you're trying to get connected with a nice group of traders and just some more like in-depth watch list analysis, to join the Discord that's in the description below and get in there and start communicating with some with us and come talk and be friends and hang out. All right, I'll catch you guys next time, and I'll see you. Peace.